Hi Scrap fam, this is Trish and welcome to my channel. I'm coming to you today to show you what I worked on this weekend. So here we go. I did a lot of prep. I also participated in a what did I participate in? Victoria Marie's crop this weekend. It was stitching, which I've done none. I really don't sew on my projects, and I don't see me doing it, but I did use some rub-on stitching, so faux stitching counts. I think we're gonna have until June to finish the project, so I think I'm gonna do some more. Oh, I also did some stamping. I used some of my stitch stamps, so I'm gonna do a lot of faux stitching in my projects that I'm gonna work on. But yeah, I got some things done, but not as much as I would like. But I did get some prep done, which is good. I did an envelope for a card I need to make. Someone's birthday. I also did the prep for my tracker planner for next month. And some more work that I need to, that I've done. Here's the sentiment that I'm going to put inside the card. This is some prep for listing. That was for the card, but it was too small, so I redid it. And then this is the prep for listing too. This is my prep for in the news, and this is my prep for about last month, and both of those are April because I haven't done it yet, and we're almost in June. And then there's that. All right, so that's all my prep work that I did. All right, I did the week of May 22nd through the 28th in my tracker planner. I didn't do last week. I just didn't get around to it. Then I didn't see the point to go back because I'm like, I'm not going to fill it in, so I'm not going to do it. So, yeah. So that's that. So this is all I did in my tracker. Other than also fill some things out too in here. The other thing I worked on is my scrap planner. See, yeah, my scrap planner. And for this, I use Scrapcraftastics that I mentioned. I use her for the year. And for this week, her prop was the 5th of May. So I just did kind of like a party theme. So that's what I use for that. And this is my pages for May 1st through the 7th. And then I worked on May 8th through the 14th. And that was about mom. I think that was it. Or for mom. So, yeah. So this is my page for featuring mom. All right. So, and that's all I worked on. I did no scrapbooking last weekend because I had my hair in braids, and all weekend I was taking it out, and then I had to wash it, and basically that was my weekend. So I got no scrapping done last weekend, which is why there was no video for last weekend. All right, I do have a haul. So I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up some things and mostly stickers. So here's my little haul from Dollar Tree. Some stickers that I'm going to use on some cards. And or I was thinking about this for mixed media, which I have not done this year yet. No, I did. I did like 1 page, 1.5 page. But I thought these would be cute when I finally get back into it. Hopefully I will. Alright, so that's from the Dollar Tree. And I also went to Joann's. And I picked up a few things from there. I picked up a much not needed sticker book. Disney sticker book. But of course it was so cute I had to get it. And I also picked up these stamps. I like these stamps. These are cute. I like them because they had all of the, all of these things on them. Also picked up some puffy stickers. Where to next? Vicky Booten. And I picked up some Tim Holtz flashcards. And these are all the cards inside, if you can see it. And I also picked up some paper. Just move that out the way. So that's pretty plain, but I mainly bought it for this. Yeah, I mainly bought it for this. Let me see if I can bring this. Yeah. And I got 2 of that, and again, this is the other side. Yep, I just love pink. This is Maggie Holmes. And then this is the other side, and again, this is kind of like grid, and I like that. This is Maggie Holmes too, and this is the other side of the cameras. Bought 2 of those. This is Heidi Swipe, and of course I like these. All of the tickets. Did I get 2 of these? Oh no, these are 2 different ones. This is the other side, and that's why I only bought 1, because I'm not crazy about that side. Just like the tickets. And I bought 1 of this. I actually like both sides, but I'll probably use this for a card and, just use both sides. And this is Heidi again, and I really like this. I like the boats. I'll probably use it for my brother's Father's Day card because he was in the Navy, so I thought that would be nice. And I only got 1 of these. And who is this? This is Jan Hatfield. And I really like these colors. I only got 1 of that because of that. And again, this is kind of like the same coloring, just a different, these are, scallops. And the star. This just reminds me of the 70s, which is Jan Hatfield's flower. It's from her Flower Child collection. And yeah, these colors definitely remind me of the 70s. Remind me of my mother's kitchen with her orange Tupperware. And this, and who is this? Oh, this is from the Flower Child too, Jane Hatfield. And again, Jane Hatfield, Flower Child. I only got onesies of those. Alright, so I got 2 of these. And this is from Jane Hatfield too. Again, it's the brown, pink, and orange. And I got 1 of these. Again, another Flower Child. Again, that pink, orange, and brown, yellow. And I had 2 of these because I got these mainly because I'm doing a list for Lail by Mail. It was what was the name of the list she had? It wasn't my soundtrack. It wasn't that. My playlist, that's what it was. It was my playlist, and you could pick whatever playlist, and I'm going to pick from 88 because that's when I graduated from high school. So pick my favorite songs from that year. So that's why I had to get these. And again, I think I like this Jane Hatfield collection more than I thought. And here's another one. And I only got 1 of those. I really like this. And blue is not my favorite color, but I really like this pattern more than this one. So I got it for this. And then I think this is the last Jane Hatfield. And yeah, I think I got it for this side. I really liked it. Again, the pinks and the yellow, brownish. Alright, and then here's some Vicki Boutin. This is her Where to Next collection. And I got 2 of those. It's always nice to have like a black and white background. And then here's some of her famous butterflies. In the blue. Hearts. And I really like the stripes. Stars. The map. And then I got these for the cutter parts. This is the back. And then here's this tickets. And grid. And last but not least, these are the sunshine, orange sunshine, and then the yellow. So that is what I got from, do like a little quick flip through of the, let me see. Okay. Like a little quick flip through of the, I got it because it have like holidays in it. It has some holiday things in it. And it'll be good to use. And of course it's Mickey Mouse and it's my favorite, so I like that. That's nice. Yeah, I think I might use this in my my planner for next month. Alright, so that's all of Mickey. Alright, so that's all of my Joann's haul. And I actually had this box for about, if think I'm going on 2 weeks now. I bought some things from scrapbook.com for scrapbook. What was it? Scrapbook and National Scrapbook Day. So here's the unboxing. Dun, 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 dun. All right, I'm gonna move it over here. Pull it out. All right. Sorry for all the noise. All right. So I have to remember what I actually ordered. So I ordered, what's this? Okay, that's just some kind of advertisement. All right, so I ordered okay, that's cute. All right, so I ordered, there's some graduation stuff that I ordered because I have to make some graduation cards. I ordered a bundle of 49th and Market. I could not resist because the sale was so good. Even tell me. Oh no, these was the freebies, those letters. All right, so this is the 49th and Market Plum Groove. Yeah, Plum Groove, and it came with ephemera. I mean, for the price I paid, just the ephemera by itself. Oh my God, how beautiful is that? All right. So this is the not ephemera. What I'm talking about, washi. The washi. Then here are some chipboard letters. That's everything that's in there. Sorry for the glare. And then this is the ephemera. And this is all that's in there. I'm not going to take it all out. And this is the rub-ons. So it came with the washi, the ephemera, and the chipboard, the rub-on transfer sheet, the laser cut, some more rub-ons, and the paper. That's what the bundle pack was for that day. I could not pass this up. I would rather have I think it was Everywhere, that blue one. Again, I'm not a big blue fan, but that Everywhere is everything. But it wasn't in a bundle. Plum Groove was. And I don't have a lot of purple, so I jumped on it. So that is that. I also ordered some pieces from Bella Boulevard for the cap and gown because I need to make some graduation cards. So that's also, you know, congratulations all over in different fonts. And then this is black with silhouette hearts, black and white stripes, and then this is cap and gown. Caps. This is black and white, and I'll most likely just cut these and use them, you know, as strips going across. And I got 2 of those. And then I got this one. And then most likely I'll just use this as a background. These have diplomas on them with bows on it. And I also ordered the stickers, the graduation stickers. And this was the freebie, the letters, the alphas. And that's it. That's all I have for you. The small haul and my couple of things I did in my planners. So thank you so much for checking out my haul and my work, my scrap work that I've done. And yeah, stay tuned if you're interested in seeing how the graduation cards come out, and or how the birthday card that I need to do, and all of my listing that I need to finish up that I prepped for. Hit that subscription button and hit that notification button, so every time I upload a video you will be notified. Again, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and watching my video. Be blessed, happy scrapping, and see you next time. Bye for now.